What it do? Yeah, I'm coming back with another episode of Backyard Bonsai. Yeah, I'm coming to you with a little follow-up I was going on with my Cascades. I have 3 new Cascades here. I have this one here, which I've just replanted it, repotted it. I have this one here. Just repotted. I'm not wiring right now. I'm just repotting, and I'm just showing you a little brief video of me repotting some Cascades I had. Now this is another triple Cascade. I'm gonna wire that one up. Let you see that one. And this is a nice swooping Cascade, and it's swooping to the left, and I'm gonna swoop it back to the right. And this one here, you seen the video on this one. I had wired this one up, and this is my triple Cascade. I wired that one up, but I was just coming back with a brief little video here showing you my Cascades. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was just showing you a little brief video of the 6 Cascades I have. And what I'll do, I'll just show you briefly, like me trimming them up, wiring them again. Everything's here is budding up now. See that new growth? Little new growth happening. Then I have a new addition. I'm trying to work with another juniper, which this is a Blue Point juniper. I just got that one from Lowe's, and I'm gonna carve out a bonsai on that one. Cutting table here. Then I just want to come over here and show you the mother of all my bonsai plants, which be this one here. I hadn't wired anything. I'm just showing a brief video of the mother. Yeah, she's about 30 years old. The first one I got, I went to this little place in Somerville down in Florida. It's a little piece before you get to Panama City, and that's where this is my first one. The guy told me, said, well, yeah, you know, a lot of times you can't raise that one, you'll have to come back. But I didn't come back. I raised I cut all my bonsais off of this plant here, my mother plant. I'll just give you a quick spin around and let you see her. See that trunk? I hadn't wired it or did anything to it yet, but I'll get back with another video. I'll wire it, cut it back, and show you how pretty she can get. I just let her got a little wild. But she's pretty when I trim her down and get her right. So I was just showing you a little brief video of the garden again. I just watered down. Everything's looking pretty. Like and subscribe to Collins Hall YouTube channel. Be blessed.